Hello everyone, this is an unboxing of the 70 MAI Smart Cam. This is the 1S model. And here the packaging is pretty nice. I like it. Very sleek. There you have your customer service card, and you'll notice that there are different QR codes, even in the manual. This is the electrostatic magnetic card, and that's used just to make it easier to remove when you place the card. Here's your user manual. Again, different QR codes here. And the user manual comes in, I think it's 3 different languages within the booklet. The camera itself, it's very lightweight. You have your mini SD card slot there. It does not come with a memory card, so you have to purchase one separately. Let's see what else is in the box. Here you have I believe this is the USB adapter that goes connected to your car, your power adapter. Only has 1 port. Would have been nice to have 2. And I believe this was probably, the cabling. So this is the mini USB power cable. You see it comes at a 90 degrees angle, which is nice, but it's not a USB-C, it's just a micro USB. I'll remove the little sticker here, and it's on the lens. And you see that white sticker is so that you can adhere it to your windshield. You want to adhere that portion to the electrostatic card. Now here's some night footage. I sped up the footage, but you can see there's a lot of glare and a lot of reflection from the glass. Now I did not clean the windshield, but again you can see the glare. And then here's some daytime footage. And you'll notice here that the license plate on this particular vehicle, you can't even read it because, again, this is glare from the sun and you can't make it out. So I repositioned the camera, and you'll see this in the next footage right here. And now the license plate is visible. I also cleaned the windshield, wiped it down a little bit, so that also helps. So remember to do that. On this camera, well, let's start with the pros. One, it's affordable. So if you buy it and you don't like it, you can give it away, or if it breaks or something happens. The other thing is it's very lightweight and it has a very sleek design, so it'll give you a very discreet look in your vehicle. It won't be so obvious that you have a dash cam installed in your vehicle. It comes with voice control, and you're able to easily connect to your smartphone, whether it's Android or an Apple iOS device. It has a built-in G sensor for emergency. So if you get hit from the rear or from any side, the G sensor will detect that there's been an accident, and it'll record automatically and save it to a different folder where it won't get overwritten. There's also loop recording, anywhere between 1, 2, and 3 minutes. And these are pretty standard features in most dash cams. Let's talk about the cons. So in my opinion, the image quality is not that great. As you looked at the videos, the footage that I recorded on it, there's a lot of glare at night with the lights, and even in the daylight, there's a lot of glare with the sunlight. It only comes with an aperture of 2.2. In my opinion, I think that's a little bit too high of an aperture. I've seen them as low as 1.4 for cameras in a similar price range. And then the other thing is, as a con, is that it only comes with a field of view of 130 degrees. Again, if you look at cameras on Amazon, in that price range, I've seen some come in as 170 degrees field of view. And then the other thing is this one comes with a lithium battery, which is prone for overheating and turning off in high temperatures. The reviews I've read indicate that this hasn't been an issue, but I think long-term use, that may become an issue. So for me personally, I would be interested in something that has a resistor for extreme weather conditions. I mean, it's a great way to start in the DashCam environment. And if you like it, well, you can go ahead and purchase one.